Hey guys, Jason here. I put a video up on YouTube a couple of days ago of me sneezing with a toothpick. And didn't think it would get any comments, but it did. And people have been asking for more sneezes. So we're gonna get to that right now. I think one of the comments was the sneeze challenge. How many sneezes in a minute? So I'll give that a go. Starting now. Let's see how many we can get right now. Alright, here we go. First sneeze. See what we can do here. Oh. Oh, that didn't work. There always a bit of spit there. You can't do anything about that. Alright, next nostril. Take all of it. That was a good one. That was a kickback. Oh, I gotta do it again. Let's keep going, see if we can get a bit more sneezes in here. Oh, that's gross. Alright, keep going. We gotta get as many as we can. We gotta finish strong here. It feels... it feels so good when you sneeze. Okay, let's do a bit more. Oh, that's the spot right there. Oh, I think we could do one more. Oh, it almost took off. Alright, let's do a couple more. You get a little going here. Alright, we got one more in here somewhere. Always gets the spit. No matter what you do, you can't help it. That was about 7 or 8. Alright, well, I don't know how many more sneeze videos are gonna make it. I have to come up with something else pretty funny, but yeah, keep posting your comments, and let's see if I can come up with any more dumb stuff to do. Hope you guys like my silly video.